That's what we do for a living, bro. Go farm, go work. Sabi work. If you do farm work, you sabi do farm work. You sabi do farm work. Go and do farm work. Oh, go learn work. Nigeria will not save. Nigeria is not safe, bro. I'm telling you the fucking facts. Stay wako. Stay wako. Do farm work. Oh. Sabi farm work. Oh. Save your family. Oh. I'm going to farm, guys. And I do some stuff, some work, bro. Work for my life. Work hard, the good in me, bro. I'm gonna do some work, invest, bro. That's a financial advice I'm gonna give you, bro. I'm not fucking lying with you, bro. I got me. I gotta school. I have a salary key, but I gonna do farm work, huh? Huh? The government will not decide for me. Yo, that's what I do. Peace out.